Have an old Android phone lying around the house? Why not make use of it by mining a crypto coin instead? Use your old Android smartphone to mine crypto coin, no root, no fake apps, and 100% works. Duino-Coin is a POW, or proof of work concept, and suitable for low-end devices such as your old Android phone. You will need an old Android phone, with at least Android version 5.0 and above OS. Also, a working Fdroid store app, link in the description below, or the video card at the corner. Second item you need, is the Termux app installed. Link in the description below or the video card at the corner. Third thing you need, is Ubuntu already installed inside Termux app. Link in the description below or the video card up here. Open your browser, and browse to https://wallet.duino-coin.com. Now, just below the login button, click on the link, need to create a wallet words. To register, type your preferred username, and a strong password. You will need to create a minor key too. You need to write down this minor key as reference later on. Now, type your email address. This must be a valid email address. Next, is to check all the checkboxes below, and verify the CAPTCHA code. Upon registration success, type in your credentials that you have just created. After login, this is the dashboard you will see. This is your web wallet information, and all your miner device will be shown here. Let's start. First, ensure Termux packages is up to date. Type pkg upgrade-y. Next, is to start Ubuntu, type /startubuntu.sh. Now inside Ubuntu prompt, update Ubuntu packages to, type apt-update $apt-upgrade-y. Next, is to install the following packages. Type apt install wget proot git-y. Then, is to download the Duino-Coin installer. Type git clone https://github.com/revox here /duino-coin.git. This will take a while too, please be patient. We need to install some dependencies. Type apt install python 3, python 3-pip, python 3-dev-y. Now, we need to change directory to Duino-Coin folder first. Next, is to enable a Python 3 module. Type pip3 install requests. Now we can start mining Duino-Coin. Type python 3 pc_miner.py. The first initialization may take a while, please wait. Miner will ask for your username. Type the username you have created earlier in the Duino web wallet. Next, is to enter the mining key that you have created earlier. Set the mining intensity. For old phone, it is recommended to set at 80%. The recommended mining threads is 1 threads lower. If your phone have 8 cores, then set it to 7 cores. Set the lowest mining difficulty, which is 1. Now, you can name your mining device. Type in any name you want. For developer donation, set to 1. Now your device will start mining automatically. The results will be available in your web wallet within the next 3 to 5 minutes. To verify your Duino web wallet account, you need to take a picture of the mining device, with your username together, and email them for verification. An example of the picture as shown here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.